This is a training video on how to create an animation. On the main menu, click on to Animations on Background. Next, on the bottom, click on Add from YouTube. Next, hit Browse YouTube. Once you get into the YouTube browser, you need a search phrase. I'm going to type in green screen dog. Hit search. Number of green screens. Notice that green and blue screens will work. Let's choose this green screen of a dog. Go to the top of the browser, highlight the area, right click, copy. You can also hit Control C. I'm going to shut down the browser. Go to this YouTube URL, right click, paste, or Control V. You have the option of using medium or high resolution. For animations, medium is good enough. Add as file. It'll take you to the menu that will remove green screens and automatically load the video. Now, first thing I want you to notice is this blue time marker is moving across the screen. You can drag this marker to quickly move in time in the video. I'm going to pause the video. And I'm going to hit this set start. Now watch that red start marker. And it moves to the time marker. I'm going to run the video a few seconds. Stop it. And I'm going to hit this set stop. Now watch the yellow stop marker move to the time marker. And you have the option of changing the set and start time slightly. So I'm going to go to start. Hit this button, go to start. The time marker moves to start. And notice that there is a step back and step forward button which will move in half-second increments. So if I hit it twice, 1, 2, the time marker moved back a second. And I'm going to hit set start and the red marker moved to the time marker. I'm going to go to stop here and the time marker moved to the stop marker. I'm going to hit the step marker twice again, advance to the second, and then hit set stop, and the yellow marker moved again to the time marker. So I am happy now with the clip that I'm going to use of the entire video, and I'm going to show you the crop option. Hit this button, crop here. A rectangle will appear in the middle of the screen. Click in the center of the rectangle and it shows you the grabbing areas for you to change the size of that box through a mouse click and drag. Okay, when you're happy with that, you hit done. And now we're ready to remove the green screen. Now you have an option of picking the speed, fast, normal, or slow. We're going to leave it at normal. And you're going to have to now look at the video and the color of the background and try to match the color with one of these 8 colors. I'm going to purposely pick one that doesn't do a very good job, just to show you it's not fatal if you pick the wrong one. So remove the first color. See, the background is still there, so that did not do a good job. So now I'm going to pick a different color and hit this remove first color again. Much better job. Now notice at the bottom corner here, there's still some green. So I'm going to pick another green here and remove another color. Okay, you see now that it's done a much better job. You could do this as many times as you want, by the way. Okay, I'm going to turn the test off. And the next option now is to define its location on the output screen. So size settings, I'm going to pick medium to make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to drag it up to the top. Now I can change the size through the mouse as well. Change the size slightly, or you can enter it through entering numbers. The last step here is to name it. Now it will automatically name it animation the 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want something a little more descriptive, you can do your own. So I'm going to say Shaggy Dog. And notice it will not allow spaces. Hit submit. Okay, in your animation library, it's in the center now. Notice this name Shaggy Dog. And you can see it. We can click it so that it's selected and hit test animations. You can see the animation we just created. Hit done. We can also go back and edit its position. So I'm going to hit edit position at the bottom here, and we can make it bigger or smaller. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Now you have the option, once you're happy with it, to change it just in the library or submit to library and put it in the animation content. So I'm going to do that. Notice it appears at the animation content. Okay, so you can now add, just by dragging in different animations. You could also swap its positions through dragging. Notice I'm swapping its positions. You can delete just by dragging it into the trash can. I want to show you one more feature here, this button called Add from File. Hit that, and takes you to this file where you load videos with green screen. Now, when we downloaded the YouTube video, it actually downloaded it to a particular location that this button gets you to. So I'm going to open a video that I've already downloaded previously. It's a dog with a blue screen. And then we can now load the one we just downloaded again. There he is. The reason why we have this feature is it will allow you to create multiple animations on the same video if you would so like. Cancel. This concludes the video.